Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to make an eggless blueberry muffin recipe that's easy, delicious, and perfect for anyone who has an egg allergy or for those who follow a vegan diet. So let's get started. First, let's go through the list of ingredients you'll need for this recipe. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk or any other non-dairy milk, 1/2 cup of olive oil, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries. Now that we have our ingredients, let's start with the dry ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix the dry ingredients together with a whisk or a fork until they are well combined. Next, let's move on to the wet ingredients. In a separate mixing bowl, add 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk or any non-dairy milk, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix the wet ingredients together with a whisk or a fork until they are well combined. Now, slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix them together with a whisk or a fork until the batter is smooth and well combined. Be careful not to overmix the batter, as this can make the muffins tough. Once the batter is mixed, it's time to add in the blueberries. Gently fold in 1 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries until they are evenly distributed throughout the batter. Now, it's time to prepare the muffin tin. Grease the muffin tin with some cooking spray or olive oil to prevent the muffins from sticking. Using a spoon or an ice cream scoop, fill each muffin cup about 3/4 of the way full with the batter. Make sure to distribute the batter evenly among the cups. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the muffins for 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center of a muffin comes out clean. Once the muffins are done baking, remove them from the oven and let them cool in a muffin tin for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, a delicious and easy eggless blueberry muffin recipe that's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or a midday snack. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy and delicious recipes. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.